we dance in the sky. And when you whisper your sad lullaby, tears fill my eyes. You fill my night full with stars. Restless my soul seeks your eyes. Soon as it shimmers, your smile in the night, dreams fall into flight. I long to be your child, your song to fill this dark night, light for the lost in this lonely exile. I need to hear your word, to be near you in this scarred world. One little sound is a song if it soars in your heart. Shall rain from the skies, and as they scatter, gather the flowers, He shall reign in our lives. As long as you're His child, His song shall fill your dark night. Light when you're lost in this lonely exile. We need to hear His word. Would you bleed to heal His scarred world? Your little thorn is a rose if it grows in His heart. As long as you believe, roses shall rain from the sky.